Hey, what's going on? Hey, I just got a call, residential. I got a bad capacitor. So right now I'm looking for the capacitor. That's what I need right there. 40 by 7.5. Yeah, I had a burnt connection. Let me show it to you. On this capacitor. See this capacitor right here? That wire burned off, and see that capacitor's burnt pretty good, overheated right there. I ain't saw one like that yet this season. Yeah, overheated, burnt the wire. I mean, I could have been a loose connection. Yeah, it was kind of loose. Yeah, that's probably what it was, overheated. And burnt that cap. And they had a double. I'm gonna go back with a dual cap, and I'm gonna rewire it. And hopefully, be up and going. I'm gonna strap this in place first. Hold on. Wish I could, wish I didn't have to put my phone down. Let me see if I can come up with something. There we go. Get this cap up in here. Yeah, I was heading home because I had a call. And I did that call, and I had went to go, pick up the kids, and I was about to head home, and I got another call. I don't mind. It's still kind of early. You try to get them going. You know what? I'm looking for my extension. Alright. See if I can get a screw out of it. Give me like a self tapper. And this is a screw, period. I just need a screw so I can get in there and hold